Sit with your camera on, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nice to see you all in a fresh good morning. So, are you all happy today? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
I'm very happy.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So I request you all, yeah, when I was checking the work, I have just seen only 5 students have sent me the work. Riddhi, Moin Kuledi, and I'll call the names of the students. Hare, Arav Hapani, and Vedi. These are the 5 students, those who have sent me the yesterday's work. So I request other students also to send me the yesterday's work, and please always send me a worksheet on time so that it will not be a burden for you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I send it.
Moksha, I have not received.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we take out the print and write word meanings in the notebook?
No. All sums in the notebook. Wait a minute. So now today I'm going to start my class. First, I will give you 2 sums to do in the notebook. Please take out your notebook. Write today's date. Write today's date in the notebook. Write multiplication topic. I'm going to give you 2 sums to do in your notebook. First is 786 multiplied by 6, a single digit number. Then second sum is my board clearly visible to everyone? Good. Next is 103 multiplied by 23. And I request you to please learn tables. Learn tables up to 20.
We have to write in notebook.
ma'am, your
Yes.
camera is off.
No, my camera is not off. Children, my board is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arey, just check, log out and log in again.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the 2 practice sum which I am giving you today to do in the notebook. Fast do it and tell me the answer and we will check the answers fast. And please write what number this is called, what number this is called, and what the answer called in multiplication. Dhwani, this number is called what in multiplication?
Dividend.
My dear, this is multiplication. Multiplication words come from the word multiplication only.
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand. And
Ma'am,
Shivani, wait, Jignesh, wait. Shivani, this word number is called what? 786 is multiplicand. Mute your mic, please, Shivani. Multiplicand, CAND. And 6 is called what, Shivani? Just find the answer first, then turn on your mic. Yes, Arav?
ma'am, I can't see your board.
Arav, this is daily happening with you.
Multiplier.
Log out 1 or 2 times again and log in again.
Multiply.
Multiplier. And the answer is called, Jignesh, what?
Ma'am, product.
Product. When you find the answer, please write that this is the product. And please write these terms with the numbers. Please. Always, whenever do addition, when you do subtraction. Yes, Vedi.
I said the answer. We have to write some.
Yes. You need to write these 2 sums in your notebook by with today's date. Arav, now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you face such difficulties, no, you log out and log in without bringing to my notice. Log out and log in 1 or 2 times. Then you It will be fine because it's a network issue.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my camera is not working in all first class. My
Excuse me, ma'am. I can write the yesterday's page.
Yesterday's?
I have done.
I can write yesterday's page.
No, new page.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
I want to ask that in the multiplication spelling, the last word is T.
This one.
No, ma'am, the heading.
Multiplication. Tion. Please mute your mic, Moksh. Is my board visible completely? Full board is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Arth Gujarati,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
request you to not to eat in my class, please. Finish this all the things before you come to the class. Please do fast so that I start my today's topic. That will be division.
Done, ma'am.
Both the sums done?
Yes, ma'am. Second one is too easy.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Do it. I'm waiting. Now, one by one, I will ask from you all. You will tell me the answer. Astha, what you will do in this sum first? How you will start multiplying?
6, 6 are 36.
So where I will write 3 and where I will write 6.
6 in your down and 3 in your up.
What?
6 in your down and 3 in your up.
3 will go up at the tens place and 6 will be down. Next will be tell by Lakshya Dola. Lakshya, what I will do next?
Ma'am, what sum? In first term, yes.
I am on first sum only.
Ma'am,
Yes, Iya.
I cannot see your board.
Log out and log in again.
Okay.
Lakshya, in my class, if you not come prepare, tell me what is the answer now.
Ma'am, give me example.
Huh? 6, 6 are 36. Now what step? Next step, what we will do?
Next step.
Lakshya, I'm giving you a warning. You please come prepare in my class next time. Learn tables. What okay? Coming daily, giving you 100% attendance. Then what is the use of giving 100% attendance? Mute your mic now. Vihan Vyas, what is the next step now?
We will 6
What?
multiply by 8.
What is the answer?
48.
And then
And then we will 8 plus 3. 51. We will write 5 up at 100 space and we will write ones at a down.
yes. Next will be tell by Dhwani. Thank you, Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me next.
Okay. 6, 7. 42 plus 5. 47. 47.
If children, your answer is this one, then it is right. Put a right tick. Thank you. I will go to the next sum now. Arav Apani, what will be the next step in this?
Ma'am, 3 threes are 9.
Bus. Next, Biha will tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 3 zeros are 0.
Next, Harsh Keshwani will tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 3 ones are 3.
Good. Next, Moksh will tell me what I will do next step now.
What?
What I will do next step now in this.
2 threes are 6.
So first, what I will put here.
0.
Next will be tell by Dheer. Dheer, what I will do next.
Ma'am. Then two ones are 2.
My dear, this 0.
No,
2 threes are 6. Then
2 threes are 6. 2 zeros are 0.
next will be tell by Diva. Diva Chauhan. What will be the next now?
Yes, ma'am, we will plus.
No, my dear, still there is something pending. Just check. 2 threes are 6 is done. 2 zeros are 0 is done. What we will do next?
2 ones are 2.
Yes. Now what we will do next? Diva only will tell me.
We will plus everything.
Tell me what will be the answer.
9 zeros are 0.
9 plus 0 is 0.
No, ma'am, 9.
Yes. Then
0 6 are 0.
again you doing the same mistake. You are not saying 0 6 are 0 plus 0 6 are means then you are multiplying. 0 plus 6 is
6.
yes. 3 plus 0 is
3.
3. And nothing is here. So here also 0. 0 plus 2 is
2.
yes. If children your answer is this, then it is right. Can I move to the next topic now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone's answer is this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me take the attendance. Then we move to the next topic. Write the heading. Wait.
Ma'am, you have that done no 2060 at down that I have done in first.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are starting the division.
Now I am starting the division.
Ma'am, when I do sums, there is space, so I can write heading and date.
No. Multiplication is separate. Division is separate. Do it on the separate page.
Ma'am, your camera is off. I cannot see you and your board.
Yeah, log out and log in again.
And I have a space, then I can write only that page, the division.
No, new page. Division topic we are going to do. Okay. So children, why we need to learn the division? Can anyone tell me? Why we need to learn the division? क्यों पढ़ना है हमें? Why?
To divide all things.
To learn divide. To learn how to divide.
And division is called what? Division is called what?
Divi.
Dividend.
Division.
Fraction.
Division is
Divisor.
called what?
Repeated subtraction.
It's a repeated subtraction.
Repeated subtraction.
Division is also, can we call it as a division? It is a repeated subtraction. You all are right. But it is also called that equal distribution when we want to distribute something equally. Right? If you have 18 chocolates, you need to divide it into 2 persons. And you need to
9.
divide them equally.
9.
So
9.
each person will get 9 chocolates.
Yes.
That means distributing something equally is called equal distribution, called division. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, tell me, if I want to divide 18 divided by 2 is 9. Like we have
Yes, ma'am.
learned
Yes, ma'am.
addends in
Exactly correct.
addition. If we listen here. Yes, Shivani, please drink. Please mute your mic and listen here. Children, when we have learned in addition, you have learned what these terms are called, addends. In multiplication, they are called multiplicand, multiplier. In subtraction, minune, subtrahend, difference. So in division also, these numbers have some
Yes, ma'am.
names or terms. So what the 18 is called?
Dividend. Dividend.
Very good.
Divisor. Ma'am, divisor is 2.
Because you are going to divide 18. Whatever. Mute yourself now. Dear mute. Dear mute.
Ma'am, divisor.
Pritika, mute please. Look here now. Pritika,
Ma'am, I
look here.
have muted
Mute
only.
yourself.
Ma'am, I have muted only.
Good, good, good if you're muted. Look here now.
Ma'am.
18.
Right.
Which we are dividing in number of 2 persons. So 18 is the dividend. Dividend. Spelling is dividend, dividend. And what is 2? Is divisor, divisor.
Yes.
And the answer in division is called quotient.
Quotient. Ma'am, quotient.
Quotient. Quotient.
One more thing. Ma'am, something left, so we call it remainder.
Yeah, if something left in the answer, then you call it remainder. Remainder, remainder. Clear? These are the 4 different names or terms used in the division. Clear, everyone?
Ma'am, now my camera is clear.
Now clear. And now I'm going to tell you some facts about the division. For example, if you divide any number, whether it is a 3-digit number, 4-digit number, any number like 1,285 things are there with you, and you need to divide it only to the 1 person. So what will be your answer? If you divide any number with the 1, your answer should be the
1,285. Ma'am, number
Same.
itself.
same number. Yes, number itself.
280.
When number divided by 1 gives you the same number itself is the answer. Here now you can see me.
No, ma'am.
My dear, you're facing a lot of network issue, and it is happening every day. When you miss my maths classes, then you will face the difficulty, my dear. Log out and log in again quickly, fast. Now next is if we divide any number by the same number. For example, if we take 685 toffees and divide it into the 685 people, so the answer is
One.
each one will get
One.
1.
One.
If any number divided by the same number, the answer is
1.
Next is if 0 is divided by any number, the 0 is divided by any number,
0.
the answer is
Always 0.
0. Now, these were the properties of or the facts of division. Now, I want to tell you few more things. For example, if we're dividing any number Like we have done, no? Multiplying any number by 100, 10 or 1000. Same way we are dividing any number by 10. So if you want to do mentally, if you want to bring the answer mentally,
We will add a 0.
so what will be the quotient in this? No, we will not add 0 in this, I'll tell you. What will be the quotient and what will be the remainder in this? Tell me. Because it is having how many zeros here? 1 0. So from your right side, the ones place, the last digit, if there is 1 0 only, so one digit from the back will go in the remainder and the remaining digits will go in the quotient.
120.
Got it? Why only one digit I have taken? Because this is dividing by 0, 10 only, which is having 1 0. So we will take from the last, from the extreme left, we will call it. But from
Ma'am, can you explain it again? I didn't understand.
any number divided by 10, and 10 is having 1 0. So from the last, take one digit and write it as a remainder, and the remaining digits will be your quotient.
Okay, ma'am, if it will be 100, so 8 and 9 will be cut out.
89 will be your remainder and 12 will be your quotient. If it is 1000, so 3 digits from the back will go as the remainder and 1 will be your quotient. Got it, everyone? Can I erase this now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now we will do few sums based on division. That you can do in your notebook also. 7,000, okay, 72,845. Need to divide it with the 9. If you know the table of 9, you step by step, please tell me. I will call your names and please tell me how I will divide this. Okay, Arav, we start with you. In table of 9, 7 is coming.
No, ma'am.
So what we will take?
We take 2 digit.
Yes, we take 2 digits, 72. So either 72 or less than 72. If it is coming, just tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Coming.
Tell me.
9 8s are.
Excellent. 9 8s are 72. And our next step is now to subtract. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we bring down the 8. And now you children know that when we bring down 8 here, which is less than 9. So what we will do in this case, who will tell me? What we will do in this case, this is quotient coming. If here is 9 and when we bring down the 8 here, which is less than our divisor.
Ma'am, we will put the 0.
Okay, Arth, no problem. We put the 0 up and then we bring down the another digit together. Got it? Now, in 9 table, either 84 or less than 84. Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Moksh.
Then less. 81.
Yes. How many times?
9 9s are.
9 9s are 81. What will be the next step, Dhwani, now?
Yes, ma'am. 9 5s are.
My dear, what we will do next step here, I'm asking.
We will minus.
What will be the answer?
You have 3 and 0.
What we will do now next? Who will tell me? Dheer Kansara,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
We will multiply 9 4s are.
My
But
dear,
it's No, 4 will not come, so 9 for 9.
Dear, we have already bring down the 4, then it is 81. Now we minus. Now what will be the next step? We bring down the 5.
Yes.
In 9 table, 35 or less than 35?
Ma'am, less than 35.
Tell me what?
No more than 35.
More than 35, so we don't want. We either want 35 or less than 35.
27.
How many times?
9 3s are 27.
Yes. Now next, Pragyan will tell me. What will be the next now, Pragyan? Pragyan, what will be the next? Pragyan, just come for sitting only. Pragyan, I'm asking from you. Harsh will tell me what will be the next.
Will minus the 35 and 27.
What will be the answer? 35 minus 27 is?
8 and 1.
How 1? This you have taken, make it 15 minus 7, then it is 8 and this will be 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Got it? What you are not writing, Shivangni? I want everyone to do this.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, I want everyone to do in their notebooks. Good, Jignesh. Let me see you. Please solve this. And in this now, what is the question? What is the question? QUOTIENT. What is the question?
9.
8,000.
Ma'am, 8,000. Ma'am, 8,000.
Shivani, how it is 18,000 or it is 80,000? It is 8,000, Shivani. Good. Then remainder is?
8.
Write this fast. Now I will tell you how to check your answer also. If you have done, you find out the question and remainder. Now you can check your answer by yourself also whether it is right or it is wrong. The check formula is, can I raise from the up?
Yes. Remainder is 8 only.
Remainder is 8. Can I erase from the here up? My dear students, can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the check method formula, please. How to check the division sum? Formula is dividend equals to divisor multiply by, for question I am writing short form of question Q, plus remainder.
Ma'am, this sum we have to write.
Yes. This is the check formula. How you can check your answer whether your division sum is right or wrong. You can also check your answer by your own. No need to wait for someone to come and check your answer whether your division sum is right or wrong. You need to check it by this formula also. This formula is dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now, this sum only which we have done, we are going to check it whether our answer is right or wrong. Now, in this sum, dividend was what? Tell me. In place of dividend, we will write the dividend value. What is given?
72,845.
72,845 was our dividend. What was our divisor?
9.
What was our quotient?
It was 893.
800? Just check.
8,000.
8093. And what was our remainder?
8.
8. Can you check the signs which I am putting? Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Now solve this. 9 multiply by 8093. Whatever the answer will come, add 8 in that. Suppose I am doing here for you 8093. You also can multiply here and show. If you don't know direct multiplication, show it here. Multiply this. Find the answer. 9 threes are 20.
9 3s are 27.
9 nines are 81, 82, 83. 9 zeros are 0 with 8.
We have to write.
Yes. 9 eights are 9 eights are what? Who will tell me 9 eights are?
72.
72. Yes. So when you multiply this number by 9, you got this 72,837. In this now you will add 72,837 plus 8. 7 plus 7 is 14, 15. 4, 8, 2, 7. Now can you check 72,845 and your answer is also 72,845. If your this answer is same after multiplying the quotient and divisor and adding remainder in that, your answer is coming same. Means your this side and this side is coming same. After before equal to and after equal to both are coming same, then your answer is right. Laksha Dola, I request you to please study in my class. So can you all see that your answer is same now? Means your division sum is correct. You can also check your answer by your own. Very good, Viha. Very good. Please solve this. And I was not having a space here, so I wrote it like this. You please solve it properly in your notebook. Done?
Ma'am, see.
Very good.
Yes, I'm done. Ma'am.
There are few students who are very sincere in the class. Write, Jignesh, write this also. Dividend equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder.
Okay.
In every sum, when you check your answer, your formula should be this. And that formula should also be mentioned. Yes, Pritika, very good. So now, I will give you one word problem also. See, children, in multiplication word problems, we have learned when we have the price of one or we know about one thing. Very good, Riddhi. And we need to find out for many. We need to find out for many. Shivani, I'll check it later. Just listen now. I'll check it later. In multiplication, how we were doing the multiplication and why we were doing the multiplication? Because we need to find out for many. And in division, we need to find out for one. Okay? हमें एक की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है और मैनी का हमारे पास गिवन है. For example, the cost of 7 pence is 364. What will be the cost of 1 pen? How you will find out? By
Dividing.
by division, because the cost of 7 pens are given. The cost of 7 pens are given, means many का आपको given है already, and you need to find out for one the cost of 1 pen. In that case, what you will do? You will divide.
What is the 7 pence? What is the cost of 7 pence?
Yeah. So you will write cost of 7 pence is 364.
364.
Please do this. I'm going to erase the board now. Question is, this is the word problem. The cost of 7 pence rupees.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to write.
Yes, yes, is rupees 364. What is the cost of one pen? So the cost of many pens is given to you. You need to find out the cost of one pen.
The next page.
If you have a space there also you can do.
Okay.
Because the topic is same, that's why you can use the same page. If the topic is different, use the new page. The cost of 7 pens is given to you. You need to find out the cost of one pen. So what you will do in that case, you will divide. And to write the statement in word problem, it is compulsory to write the statement. How you will write in this? Cost of 7 pens equals to rupees 364. Cost of one pen equals to rupees 364 divided by 7. And when you divide it, you will find the cost of
Excuse me, ma'am.
one pen is rupees, whatever the answer is coming, divide it and find the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In notebook, we have to write the cost of 7 pen is rupees.
Yes, this sum also you need to write in the note. Please either take the screenshot or fast write it. So this way, I'm going to send you the worksheet today based on division sum, based on word problems, based on the division facts. Okay, do it on the same day and send it to me. Please copy it down fast, those who are doing this. Writing statement in word problem is compulsory to write the statement in the word problems. And always remember, when the many is given, you need to find for one or each. Each and one is same thing, means you need to find for one item. Got it? Thank you, students.